Recently, there has been a lot of conversation around soil conservation and improving soil fertility. But what is soil fertility? What is organic matter? Why is it important to us when we can grow our food in soilless cultures and controlled environment? Today, I will share with you my thoughts on this topic based on my study of various research papers and my own experience. Stay tuned. In the last 2 months, the Safe Soil movement has been in the news, and this conversation is led by Sadhguru, who has decided to go on to this 100-day motorcycle rally across 27 nations, where his intention is to influence world leaders and governments to help create policies that can save soil and increase the organic content in cultivable soil or agricultural land by 3 to 6%. Not only Sadhguru, but environmentalists, spiritual leaders, soil scientists, people in the agriculture sector as well as allied fields have been advocating soil conservation for many years now. This year, Sadhguru has been able to scale up this movement not only to international level, but bring out the urgency to the general public. It speaks of the dire times we are in. In this context, let's understand what is soil and what is organic matter and what does it mean to have 3 to 6% organic matter in soil. This is cross-section of soil. Over thousands of years, this bedrock that you see at the bottom of this picture breaks down into smaller pieces due to various geological activities. And over thousands of years, it turns into finer grains of sand, silt and clay, thus creating the subsoil. This subsoil is mineral rich, and these minerals dictate the color of the soil, whether it's red, yellow or black. How does organic matter get added to the subsoil? Well, there are two ways. Number one is by plant growth, and number two is by animal activities, including microorganisms like bacteria and fungi and protozoans, which are not really visible to the naked eye. When water vapor from air condenses, it gets absorbed by the soil. Moisture, oxygen, sunlight, and stable soil structure create appropriate conditions for pioneer species of plants and animals to appear. These plants and animals go through the cycle of growth, multiplication, and decay, thereby adding organic matter to the soil. So organic matter is nothing but the dead plant and animal tissue. Now coming to my second point, why is organic matter important? Organic matter and mineral soil together provide home to numerous organisms that make nutrients available to plants. Presence of diverse organisms create a healthy soil ecosystem that makes balanced nutrition available to plants for their growth. Organic matter increases water holding capacity just like a sponge. It helps soil clump and aggregate, which improves the soil structure. And by improving water holding capacity and forming soil clumps, it helps prevent erosion to a very high degree. And all of this together increases soil fertility. One of the key reasons why agricultural soils are unable to support food production is its incredibly low organic matter. Currently, it stands at 0.5%. Research shows that most productive agricultural soils in the world contain organic matter between 3 to 6%. We have a very long way to go. And this brings me to my last point. Why bother about soil when we can grow our food in controlled environment? Well, technology should definitely be used to help resolve all our problems, but it should not be the cause of masking our problems or let technology trigger a domino effect accident. Nature intended food be grown in soils so that it is accessible to all. When we move food production to a factory setting or a controlled environment, we are risking the future of billions of people in the hands of few rich people who will eventually fly off to Mars. Saving soil is not an option. That's all for today. I will see you soon. Bye.